Melody and hello, my name is Lulu DeBoer and I'm the director and producer of Millennium Island. And if you're watching this, then you must have been watching my web series for a whole year now, because I've just turned 25. Yee. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you all online on Facebook, to everybody out there who wished me a happy birthday. I really do appreciate it. I just want to take this time to reflect on my birthdays past and present. And I don't mean to be ungrateful, but I've come to dread my birthday. I feel that the time of year my birthday comes around, I always have the worst luck. So I'm going to tell you guys some stories from 3 birthdays. My 17th birthday, my 21st birthday, and my 25th birthday. My first telling will be through the lens of bad luck, sort of the glass half empty. And my second telling will be through the lens of good luck, or the glass half full. Birthday number 17. I have a job at China King, and day in, day out, I had to come home with that smell. If any one of you guys have worked in food service, you know that smell. That greasy restaurant smell that no matter how hard you scrub when you get home, just never quite seems to leave your pores. And in the thankless, hot, humid summer, rural East Texas, that smell lingers in a way that is vulgar, just vulgar. And finally, for my birthday, I get a day off. And I'm so relieved to be out of that box of humid smell and food and grease and ickiness and boredom and futility. And my family, because it's my birthday, wants to take me out to dinner, which is a real treat. So I'm thinking, yay, maybe we can go to dinner at, I don't know, Dairy Queen, the Country Cafe, Olive Garden. We can go to La Finca's and get Mexican food, right? There's just so many choices. But no, my mom has gotten it into her head that we are gonna go eat Chinese food. And not just at any Chinese restaurant. No, we had to go back to my restaurant, China King, where I spend my entire summer. There was no changing her mind. Bad luck, right? That my one day off from work for my birthday, I end up back at my workplace. So my family piles into the minivan and they sit down at the table, and just as the menus are coming in, I run away. After running away from my family, leaving them to eat my birthday dinner without me, I went to my favorite place, which is the back of a bookstore, where I could just escape from the mundane, look at all the pictures of beautiful, faraway places like tropical islands. That's really all I wanted for my birthday, was just a little escapism. So I guess that's kind of lucky. And I know I shouldn't be happy about this, but I can't help myself being a little smug. So after years of telling people in my hometown that climate change is indeed real, and you know, beautiful places like this are going to be lost for maybe forever, I did kind of guiltily have the satisfaction of watching your own personal hell flood in a storm because of climate change. And I guess that's good luck. Well, okay, it's somebody's bad luck, but oh God, I'm a horrible person. So fast forward to my 21st birthday. Kid Best has really 2 birthdays. Your first birthday, which means you've survived babyhood, and your 21st birthday, which is your coming of age birthday. And in America, the 21st birthday is also very important because you can legally buy alcohol. So I was in Malaysia, working for an eccentric CEO who wanted a reality TV show written about capital investing. I was so excited when my birthday came around because now I got to buy alcohol. Woo! I went into the store and bought alcohol, but bad luck. Malaysia's drinking age is 16, so it didn't really matter. What was special was my coworkers and I did have a little get-together. Where the good luck comes in is this is around the time where Malaysia has its independence. While we're sitting up there on the roof of the apartment, the sky lit up with fireworks. Even though I was really far away from home and had no family or friends, I had my coworkers who were awesome and a ton of alcohol. Fast forward to 25. Oh God, the quarter life crisis, right? So I actually tried to cancel this birthday. But when I went to cancel my birthday, my auntie got super duper mad at me because she had already started working on a Kiribati dance costume because she was convinced that I was going to dance at my own birthday party. At this point, I didn't want the attention, I didn't want the extra stress, I didn't want the extra work, and I certainly did not want to dance. I got stuck with my birthday anyway. And this is where the bad luck strikes again. I run around trying to make a cake. And lo and behold, the propane ran out and there was no more time to get more propane, so we had a half-baked cake. And in all the confusion making cake, I had forgot to bring the music I was supposed to dance to. I was feeling super sorry for myself on my 25th birthday, thinking, wow, I wasted a cake. Also, half the people I invited didn't show up and kind of stressed out. And then I realized the reason my birthdays are always so miserable is because I always try to make my birthdays about me. And when you make a day about you, of course you're bound to be disappointed. You become self-centered, you feel nothing quite lives up to expectations. You know, birthdays are supposed to be a celebration of you, but really what it should be is a celebration of all the people around you that help you make you who you are. After realizing that my family put in all this effort to throw me a 25th birthday, which is not even an important birthday, who was I to try to cancel my birthday party and rob my family of an excuse to have a party? I guess the good luck there was the first birthday in a long time that I actually got to celebrate my family with my family. Hey, I'm in Kiribati. 25 years later, who knew that I would be back on this awesome island where I celebrated my first birthday? I hope that this contemplation on birthdays past has helped you feel grateful for the people in your life. I know that at this point in my life, I feel really grateful. My goal was always to have my first feature film by the time I was 25, and I guess I kind of have that. I mean, I have Millennium Island. And hopefully, before my next birthday, it'll be done and all of you can watch it and celebrate with me. Till then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and to Facebook and to Twitter and all the other awesome goody social media things. If you want to continue supporting my work, check out my Kickstarter or donate here. Boom! Donate. Just as an update, I've been volunteering for a solar project, trying to put in solar panels in Bonneba to run their desalination plant because they suffer from droughts. Dude, I've done so much, I don't even know. Right now I just gotta go through it all, which is even worse. And there's a fisherman chilling. And having a day that's just self-centered and all about you is just...
Ain't it wrong to write like right hit is hard? It was never the right time to write about how. Right now, the right coward is right in front of the right girl. So right now, he's considering the right verse. So right down, he's right now.
You'd think that after a year of being here, I would have gotten over being that awkward.